Welcome to Manifest with Mahadev. Do you know someone whose life just seems perfect? As if they're living out their dreams right before your eyes? You're about to find out how. Join us on Manifestation with Mahadev, where we explore the hidden powers of manifestation. Let's start with a big question. What is manifestation? Simply put, manifestation is like making a wish and then working to make it come true. It's all about thinking really hard about what you want, believing you can have it, and then seeing it happen in real life. It's like your thoughts have a special power to turn dreams into reality. Now, let's explore an amazing concept known as the law of attraction. Think of it as a powerful magnet in your mind. This magnet doesn't just stick to metal, it attracts experiences and events into your life. How does it work? Well, it all depends on your thoughts and feelings. When you fill your mind with positive, joyful thoughts, you attract wonderful things into your life. But if your mind wanders into the world of worries and negativity, it might just bring along some unwanted experiences. It's as if your thoughts send out a special kind of signal, and the universe responds by matching that signal with real-life events. This isn't just magic talk, it's a real way to help change your life. By picking the right thoughts and feelings, you can help make good things happen in your life too. Whether it's doing well in school, at work, making friends, finding love, or just being happier, the law of attraction is like a secret tool to help you out. Now that you know about the power of thought that lies within you, let's see how Mahadev teaches John to use it in his life.
John, the secret to powerful visualization lies in the details. The clearer and more specific your mental image, the better the universe can understand and deliver what you want. Imagine your ideal day at work. What would make everything perfect for you?
Honestly, Mahadev, I've never really tried to picture it all that clearly. It's a bit hard to imagine everything going right.
That's okay, John. Let's take it step by step. Close your eyes. Picture yourself waking up, feeling full of energy and hope for the day. Now think about your journey to work. Maybe it's smoother than usual, no traffic jams, a clear sky. When you get to work, visualize your colleagues greeting you with smiles. How does that feel?
It's, actually quite nice. I feel welcomed, like I'm a part of something good.
Now, see yourself tackling a work task. Imagine handling it with skill and confidence. Each action you take is deliberate and successful. How do your colleagues react when you share your ideas?
I guess they're listening to me, really listening. They seem interested, and they're nodding. It feels like they value what I'm saying. That's actually quite new to me.
Perfect. Let's take it further. Envision a meeting with your boss. You're presenting your ideas, and you're doing it with clarity and confidence. See your boss's reactions. Notice their nods, the positive feedback. Feel the sense of achievement and the respect you're receiving.
Wow, that's empowering. I can almost feel it, like it's really happening. It's so different from what I'm used to.
Remember this feeling. The energy you emit is what you attract back. If you ever face negativity, don't let it change your mindset. Pause and ask yourself, is this the outcome I desire? Then bring yourself back to this visualization. It's a tool to keep you aligned with your goals and aspirations.
I see. It's like reprogramming how I think and react. I need to keep reminding myself of this new positive outlook, right?
Exactly. Start each day with this visualization. Carry the positivity throughout your day. And most importantly, take small actions that align with this new mindset. It's a journey, and with consistency, you'll see the transformation in your life.
Thank you, Mahadev. I feel like I'm starting to understand. My positive thoughts will attract more positive opportunities for me in life. The clearer I visualize what I want, will not only help me get clarity in my life, but also allow the universe to give me all that I desire.
Hope you enjoyed today's session with Mahadev. Remember, each step you take on this journey brings you closer to the life you aspire to manifest. We're here to support you with new techniques, visualization exercises, and meditations that can transform your daily practice. Join us again for more insights into the art of manifestation.